Hi everyone, Dot here. So as previously discussed, Jet and I are currently in our respective places doing our own thing, taking a little hiatus from the Exodus. But the reason I want to talk to you guys today is because if you, as well, are trying to do your own Exodus and decide to take some time off to make some money, here is a nice little tidbit that I have learned that is a good way to make money in a reputable place, something you can put on your resume, especially if you're in the communications field, but something that you don't really have to commit to for a couple years to really start a career with, and also something that can transfer to wherever you're going. I have recently started freelancing with an organization called Patch, put together by Arianna Huffington from the Huffington Post. Fancy? The idea of Patch is that it's an over-encompassing kind of organization that's nationwide. There are subsidiary patches for every local area in certain states. They're not in every state, but they're getting pretty big. For example, I work for a Georgia subsidiary patch for South Cobb and for Lithia Springs, Powder Springs patch. It's freelance work, so I get contacted by my editor. She gives me assignments for photos, video, text stories. I do the work and she gives me a flat rate for it. So this is something that you could do if you started with one patch somewhere and then you were on the road and you're going somewhere else. You could contact that local editor, pitch a story, as long as they like your samples. It's a pretty flat rate and it's decent money. This just goes to show you, people in the communications world, that indeed one can survive on freelance work. I'm making a decent amount of money, so I highly recommend this to all of those who are skeptics of the freelance world. Indeed, one can make money freelancing. So if you're into writing, video, or photography, or want to break into the field, go to patch.com, find your state, and look for your local subsidiary patch, and contact your local editor. Happy travels, everyone!